Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss on the square of a binomial. So I have here a plus b squared, or quantity of a plus b squared. This is a binomial being squared. So this is just the same as saying a plus b times a plus b. Then applying FOIL method, we're going to have a times a squared. A times b, that will be ab. Then plus b times a, ab, then b times b will be b squared. Then simplifying, we're going to have a squared plus ab will be 2ab, then plus b squared. So upon looking at the product here, we can say that the first term of the answer will be the square of the first term. Then the last term will be the square of the last term here in the binomial. And the middle term will be twice the product of the two, a times b, then times 2. So let's have example here. So applying this one, the first answer will be x squared. Then middle term will be twice the product of this 2, x times y is xy times 2, that will be 2xy. Then the last term will be the square of the last term, square of y, that will be plus y squared. Then number 2, quantity of 2x minus 3 squared. So the first term will be the square of the first term here, so we're going to have here 2x squared. Then the second term will be twice the product of this 2, so we're going to have twice the product of 2x times negative 3. Then the last term will be the square of the last term here, so plus negative 3 squared. Then 2x squared is 4x squared, and this is 2 times 2x is 4x times negative 3, that will be negative 12x. Then negative 3 squared is 9, so plus 9. Then number 3, quantity of x squared plus 4 squared, will be equal to square of the first term, so x squared squared, then twice the product of the 2, so plus 2 times x squared times 4, and plus the last term will be the square of the last term 4, so plus 4 squared. So x squared squared, that will be x to the power of 4, then 2 times 4 is 8 times x squared, that will be plus 8x squared, then 4 squared will be 16. Then last number, quantity of 3x squared minus 1 squared, that will be square of the first term, so 3x squared squared, then added to twice the product of the 2, so twice of 3x squared times negative 1. And last will be the square of the last term, negative 1, so we're going to have negative 1 squared. So 3x squared squared, that will be 3 squared is 9, then x squared squared will be x to the power 4. Then 2 times 3 is 6 times negative 1 is negative 6, so we're going to have here minus 6x squared. The negative 1 squared is positive 1. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.